Hi my babies, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part 8 of the Chainsaw Man series. We're almost finished, so I'm very psyched about that. Whoo, whoo, whoo. Hopefully this is a good episode, because I don't know, the last episode ended so weird and abruptly. I just didn't understand what was going on. It looked like Denji, we found out Denji was basically getting harassed and molested by like grown ass woman and then getting beat up by some grown ass men. But it is what it is when you're a devil, right? And you're in Tokyo. So with that being said, let's get started. Enjoy. Oh, yo, I forgot this bitch did this. She was powerful. She did. They took him home by force. Because he did not ask to be taken home. Get off me. Oh my god, he's dead. Like, look how dead he is. Poor Denji. But, I don't know. Would Denji really be hyped if he woke up and saw this? Drunk ass. You ever been drunk and you go to the bathroom, you be vibing in there, you be bopping back and forth like, and don't let some song that you know be playing in the back, and you saw muffled in the bathroom. There's a club in the bathroom. Denji, wake up. Can he still go demon power? Like, if somebody pulled his demon thing on his chest, could he still do it? I like that animation of the wind in the curtain. Yeah. I can't believe it already. What is this? The animation is cool when they're walking. Are you still drinking, bitch? Is this not statutory rape? Is this not intimidation by unconsensual sex? So Shorty's jealous of bad bitch Makima? But she just lit. I just feel like she's lit. Like, she's just saying shit and she's lit. I mean, she is pretty. But not Makima, bad bitch pretty. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No. Get bricked up and it got a spasm in his leg. Yeah, no, I can't listen to this. Skip. Skip. You know what, boy? Don't be scared. I'm crying. Look at his face. What happened to being dizzy? No.
マキマさんとするはずだったファーストキスをケロでよ
She saw him a good boy.
その女に初めてを奪われていいのか
Yes.
よし
Yo be folding.
よしよし下も脱ぎましょうね
Please. I'm gonna have to censor so much.
ポッケになんか入っちゃるよチュッパチャップス来たねデンジ君デンジ君大丈夫外の空気吸おっか
Yo, everybody's fucking dead. Like, yeah, what happened? Because I could have sworn you were chilling.
スーパーで酔い薬買ってきちゃった寝る前に水と一緒に飲むこと
マキマさん俺クソみてえなファーストキスしちまいました俺はこれからいろんな女性とキスをしてもきっと
Oh, I don't feel bad, but I also do feel bad. Because he's only 16. I just found that out. I thought he was like 18, 19. Bricked up.
多分一生ゲロの味は忘れられないよでも大丈夫デンジ君はこれから死ぬまでいろんな初めての味を体験するゲロの味を思い出してる暇なんてないよとりあえずファースト関節キスはチュッパチャップスのコーラ味だね
He's like, now I'm straight. I need my makima.
悪いなポチタお前もエッチしたかったろでも俺初めてはマキマさんがいいんだ
Oh, good job, Denji. Self-control.
殺すまでそれまでは
So he wants to kill the gun devil to get some pussy. Okay. We're gonna risk our life for some pussy. You men out there need to take notes.
朝ごはん
Yes.
人を見下ろしながら食う飯はうめえな
デンジ君昨日の夜私酔ってて何も覚えてないん
No, you didn't. Don't lie.
私に乱暴なことされなかった
誰がゲロ女とやっかよ俺は初めてはマキマさんって決めた
I'm crying. Y'all called her pukey chick.
あ
Says sandwiches. What they eating?
未成年に手出したら逮捕だからね逮捕デンジ君は変わってるね普通この状況とか気まずくて帰ると思うんだけど
はあただ飯食えるのになんで帰るんだよ
Niggas thought that had their
そ
mouth
ういや
puked
デン
in,
ジ君は
bro.
マキマさん好きなの
超好き
Damn.
例えばマキマさんの性格がクソでも好き
You a hater. I like the shit out of her.
よし私がデンジ君とマキマさんをくっつけてあげようか
マジ
マジマジデンジ君私と極秘で同盟を組もうじゃないかマキマさんとくっつける協力するからさ
What?
くっつ けてよ。
What's the goal here? He's gonna say deal.
あいつんどこ好きなの？
顔。
His face. Just his face.
いいぜ。乗った。同盟組もうぜ。
じゃあ今日から私たちは先輩後輩じゃなくて友達で行こう。たまに朝食べに来なよ。マジンちゃんとアキくんを連れてね。
マキマさんも来ねえかな。
Mahima is a grown ass woman.
京都に何時に着くんだっけ？
あと30分ですね。
Alrighty.
じゃあ駅弁買っちゃおう。
1時に会食がありますよ。
ちゃんとそれまでにお腹空かせますよ。京都の偉い人たちと会いたくないな。
How
みんな
so?
怖いんだもん。ご飯は穏やかな気持ちで食べたいのに。昨日のお酒美味しかった。
Oh, she has fun. Mind you, I feel like she's seen a lot of her crew die. Hello? Hello?
こちら C 班、こちら C 班、開始。
Hello? 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 What's going on? Hello? The blickies? Old lady with the blicky? They killed off the whole squad? Why?
本当にうな昨日神戸してないのか？意外と紳士なんだよ、デンジ君が。
Why does the taste bug me? Who is that? Do I know you, motherfucker?
俺は普通にうめえけどな。
わしに気安く話しかけるな。
Yo, she be fucking tweaking.
まあ仕方ないことだ。幼少期に同じような味のもんしか食べてないと大人になってバカ舌になるらしい。舌がバカだと幸福度が下がる。
わし幸福じゃが。
店出るか。
俺のじいちゃんは世界一優しく。
Who is this nigga casual? Who are you, Negro?
じいちゃんヤクザだったけど正義のヤクザでさ、必要悪っていうのかな。じいちゃんみたいな人はさ、女子供も数えるほどしか殺したことない。
We're not gonna talk about how Makima is fucking dead?
欲しいもん何でも買ってくれてさ。
Okay. Alright, I need to relax.
江戸っ子仇のいい人だった。デンジ、お前も好きだったろ。
Oh.
何のつもりだ、てめえ。知り合いか？
銃の悪魔はてめえの心臓が欲しいん
My
だ
heart?
よ。
Dog! Dog! Woo! Yo, power's fast. Woo! Denji! Denji just need blood. I don't know if she needs blood. Maybe.
早川秋、私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。
What?
人でも悪魔でもない。
Nor devil? What the fuck is going? Who are you? Oh, this nigga look clean.
パワー、姫の先輩の血を止めてろ。
Dog! Ooh! Is he about to sacrifice himself? And I'm gonna be hurt because I kind of like I started really liking Aki. So if damn, they was just talking about hanging out. He said, "What kind of creepy shit is this?" Oh, this is so cool. Oh. Aren't you supposed to die?
姫の先輩は
早く医者に見せた方がいいの。
あいつ銃を使っていやがった。日本では警察とデビルハンター以外入手は不可能なのに。
銃の悪魔はてめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
ひとまず姫の先輩の治療は。
呪いの悪魔。その持っている釘を何回か刺したら死ぬみたいな感じ。
Who the fuck are you?
あんたいい動きだったね。
どこから来た？そいつの仲間か。
Why are they getting marked like this or targeted like this? Denji? Oh, that nigga got up like it was nothing. Oh, I think we're in a tight spot right now. I think we're in a bucket of shit.
どうして負けた？
油断した。マジで油断した。
じゃあさっさと殺して。
Dog, what the fuck is going on right now? Holy fucking shit, I'm about to lose my mind.
まだ生きてるぞ。デビルハンターのスーツは頑丈だからな。
There's no way the suits.
私はいいからアキ君を助けて。無理じゃん。あいつの動き見えんかったもん。
She
ゴースト。
嫌だ。あの女。恐ろしい。
even the fucking ghosts won't help because of that bitch. Fiend is like, I can't even calculate where that nigga is moving.
私の全部をあげるからゴーストの全部使わせて。
Oh, what the fuck?
アキ君は泣くことができる。
What the fuck?
デビルハンターは身近な死になりすぎて涙が出なくなる。でもアキ君はすぐ泣く。面倒見てた新人が死んだ時なんかは隠れて泣いていたから面白かった。 って泣いてもらえたら嬉しいだろうな。
This bitch about to die. Finally. Yo, all they was doing was eating ramen. Yo, what the fuck is really going on right now? Why did they get targeted? Makima's dead. They don't even know. How is niggas about to get the fuck out of here? Yo, anime is so fucking great. Yo, you not even gonna fucking really believe what the fuck I just saw. This bitch is dead. Just 2 arms? Like, sure, they had a whole torso and legs still, right? Sure, they just wasted that. The shit ended. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's no fucking way I just really witnessed. So who the fuck is... Alright. I remember that nigga. He was a Yakuza. He was the one that was after Denji in the beginning when Denji was selling his body parts for money to get out of his parents' or dad's debt. One of those. And it still wasn't enough. That's when he had Pochita. Then that guy just sold him off because he made a deal with some devil, the zombie devil, and yeah. So I guess that dude was like, yeah, my grandfather. So that's his grandson. He's also a devil. He's the swordman goddamn devil. Cause that looks like Denji's goddamn devil. But why are they even after his heart? Because Pochita merged with his heart. Everybody else got contracts. So that's not really an organic contract in the Devil Hunter world. I don't know. I'm just making assumptions. So now they over here getting ambushed. The whole goddamn team at that. So my thing is like, why the whole team getting ambushed? And I just want Denji. No, that makes sense. Denji's being protected. So you gotta bite the whole motherfucking team and then snatch up Denji and go about your day. But my thing is, what's the heart is gonna make you powerful? Damn. You gonna just snatch up Denji? Why didn't they snatch up Denji when he was fucking drunk? Like, they was all drunk in public. Why did they wait? Oh my god. And then Makima's dead. I don't know, y'all. I think I'm about to watch the next episode because what's going on right now? I don't understand. I was supposed to go read Vinland Saga, but now I'm about to say, we better go to the next goddamn motherfucking episode. I think so. Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna end it here. You guys are gonna see the next part. I got my thoughts out. I hope you got your thoughts out because I am blown. I can't take myself serious sometimes, but yeah, what the fuck is going on? That's the end of this goddamn episode. Don't forget that there's Berserk manga related members only. It's really cool. You'll like it if you join. I promise. I'll do whatever you fucking want. That's all I can tell you. And all costs that are gained through the memberships are all going related to the channel. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are watching this. I hope you guys are even watching the anime in general. Because this shit's crazy. Anyway, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friends and your family. I'll see you in the next part. Bye!